Hi, my name is Brittany, and I got my dream smile at Diablo Dental Group. I chose Diablo Dental Group and Dr. Aziz because I had seen some of her past work. I had been with another practice prior, and I'd been to a few different practices before I came to Diablo Dental Group. I had seen some of their work online on their Instagram and in person, but I didn't really know whether or not to make my final decision until I came in. But after my consultation with Dr. Aziz, I felt very comfortable and I knew I was in the right place. I often tell people that I'm not really scared of the dentist itself. Like, I enjoy getting teeth cleanings. And by the way, these are the best teeth cleanings I've ever had. The technology, just the presence of the hygienist is incredible. But besides that, I've never been one that's scared of drilling. That doesn't bother me. Being in a dental chair does not bother me. But I had come from some dental trauma, if you will. I had had veneers from previous doctors. I had had crowns from previous doctors, implants, and I was never happy with them. I was often told I had a very complicated case. But once I was here at Diablo Dental Group with Dr. Aziz, her confidence that she could deal with my case and take on my case is what made me feel so comfortable. I will say, if you are a person that is scared of the dentist, this is a great place to come. Every single person that works here is so kind, so warm. Plus, they have the amazing comfort menu for your teeth cleanings, whether you're getting something super complicated done or just something simple. They make it enjoyable, they make it easy, and they make it comfortable. Ever since I've gotten my teeth done, yes, I get a lot of compliments on my smile, but my favorite is when people have said to me or asked me, like, did you get something done? What did you have done? And I tell them it's my teeth, and they don't realize it because my smile has changed so much. It's made my entire face brighter. I even talked with Dr. Aziz about it almost giving me the look of a little bit of a lip flip or maybe a little bit of lip filler, but that has been the biggest compliment. Just today, I had someone tell me that I'm the first person they've ever met with veneers that don't look like veneers. The process, once I stepped foot into Diablo Dental Group, was eons more simple than I expected because of what I had dealt with in the past. I had come from another set of veneers that I wasn't very happy with. I had been at the same practice through three different doctors there, and I just kind of felt like I was getting nowhere. My confidence was completely gone. So even when I stepped foot in Diablo Dental Group and we started my plan, and my treatment, I thought it would be months until I was somewhere where I wanted to be. And I was all done with my treatment 2 months after I started here. I had expectations, given my past experience, that it would be many months that until my treatment was finished. But from when I came in to when I finished, it was eons shorter than what I thought it was going to be. And they came out better than I could have ever expected. So, to give a little bit of a background, I do have a complicated case, and I've been told for many years, ever since I was a teenager, that I have a very complicated case, and this is the best we can do. It something that I was never happy with. I had figured out how to smile and not show my teeth. Many people would tell me, I didn't realize you had to get your teeth done. And then they look at a picture of what my old smile was, and then they realize, wow, were really messed up. But it wasn't until I came to Diablo Dental Group and Dr. Aziz had the confidence that she was able to give me my dream smile. I had in the past been told, it's not possible, it's not possible, this is the best that it's going to get, and she proved them all wrong and gave me a smile that I am so happy about and so proud of. I trust Dr. Aziz so much, and I am so happy with my smile that I referred my own mom, and she is almost finished with her treatment here as well and is already so excited with her results. Two words to describe DDG: sunshine and rainbows. I am looking at a pink neon sign. I mean, where else, what other dental office you come in, you feel happy, you feel sunshine, you feel rainbows, you don't feel anxiety. There are smiles that greet you. There's coffee, there's water, there's sparkling water, there's a selfie mirror, and a neon pink sign. Coming to DDG doesn't feel like your typical dental office. It almost feels more like a spa experience, and that is coming from someone who really appreciates a good spa. If you're someone who's made making a dental appointment a permanent fixture on your to-do list, just know that Diablo Dental Group will make you feel comfortable, and there's no better feeling than a clean, beautiful smile. Even though Dr. Aziz was the primary provider on my case, she worked closely with Dr. Lim. Dr. Lim would also come in and check in, which made me feel like there was a team working on my case and not just one individual person, something that just made me feel extra confident throughout the process. Something that I always talk about when I'm talking about DDG is the technology. Compared to other dental office I've been to, the technology at DDG is all the way up here. It's just incredible. After any of my treatment here, Dr. Aziz and the DDG team, they would they made sure to always follow up, which made me feel cared about not only as a patient, but as a person as well. They wanted to make sure I was comfortable and everything was feeling okay. And if something was feeling a little off, they were sure to get me in right away to get me back to a comfortable position as quickly as possible. With busy schedules, kids, life, work, DDG really does do their best to accommodate you and your schedule. They all have really cool shoes too. If I could tell the girl who was very nervous to come in, given her past experience with the dentist and her veneers, I would tell her to just be patient. It'll just be a couple more months and you will have a better smile than you ever thought was possible or anyone ever told you was possible. Thank you to the entire team at DDG for making going to the dentist a pleasure. And I'm very excited to have found my new dental home.